How to find total watch hours on your YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, let's open Chrome and type YouTube. Once there, click on the three dots on top of Chrome and click on Request Desktop Site. Once in the desktop site, go to your channel and click on Creator Studio. Alright, now click on Analytics and scroll down to where it says watch time. You can see the watch time. Now go to this arrow here and click on lifetime. Here are the total minutes watched on your YouTube channel. Now you can convert this into hours to find the total hours your YouTube channel was watched. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found the video helpful.